Hello everyone, I'm back with another video on my BMW M2 CS. So I'll have a bunch of videos coming up. Every time I do something, I'm gonna post it on YouTube. So I encourage you to subscribe to my channel so that way you don't miss anything. So on my previous videos, only 2 videos, an intro and another video talking about a few little things here and there. This time what I've done is I wanted to improve the car a little more and make it feel a little more premium maybe, and also make it look cooler as well. And so what I did is I purchased the M Performance carbon fiber package for the parking brake, shift knob and shift knob surround. Excuse me. That came out pretty nice. It really complements the car and makes it look more premium. And the other thing was the pedals. The factory pedals are rubber and just plain boring. I think this car deserves aluminum pedal, at least to match the dead pedal on the car, which is already aluminum from factory. And the other thing, I installed shadow lights as well with the M Performance logo. That's really cool. When you open the door, it's really cool. And finally, one thing I wanted to do is protect the iDrive screen, a bit like a phone. Basically, I put a protector on it, so a glass protector, if you'd like. It protects the screen. And I service a bunch of cars, and I see a lot of Beamers come in with damaged iDrive LCD screens, scratches and stuff like that. So I figured, why not, for what it costs. So I'll put all the links below of all the parts I purchased. As far as the pedals go, I purchased them aftermarket. I didn't buy BMW ones. Basically, that's not where I want to put the bigger money. I'd rather put bigger money on things that, for example, the center console carbon that I just did. That's not cheap. That's like in the $450 range. But pedals are like 30-40 bucks on a DCT, online on eBay or Amazon, I believe. And the shadow lights are really cheap as well, maybe 20 bucks. And the screen protector like 10-15 bucks. So, I mean, they're not expensive things, and I think it's really worth doing it. And I know BMW does sell the shadow lights as a BMW original parts. You can buy them from BMW, and the pedals as well, but I chose to go aftermarket. So let me show you guys what it's all about. So for the shadow lights, I will show you in a darker environment. There's too much lighting here, but let's start with the pedals. So hopefully you guys can see it. This is the factory original. I found something that really matches it, and it looks really good. I think it makes the car look a little more premium. That was my goal with the pedals. And of course, I got the rubber floor mats. They're a little dirty now, but these protect the interior very well. I prefer rubber floor mats. These are BMW original mats. And the other thing, so here we go. This is the center piece of this car right now. So the e-brake handle is replaced with carbon fiber and Alcantara. The surround for the DCT and the DCT shift knob. So basically, that's all factory original. It looks really nice. Complements with the rest of the carbon fiber parts. I think it's much nicer than the silver, in my opinion. So that's pretty much what I did for now. And the next video is going to be even a nicer modification. I'll give you a hint. It's a steering wheel. I find it too thick. So let's see what happens with the M Performance steering wheel. I believe it's thinner. If it's not, well, I still wanted that LCD display. It looks super cool, but that will be the next video, which will be coming up soon. So in conclusion, this is the centerpiece with carbon fiber, complements the console as well. The only difference, this is like a dry carbon. It's not glossy, but I like it. I think it looks really good. It's a contrast and it looks fine. The pedals, I love them. I love my M Performance logo. Looks really nice when you open the door. The mats are cool. And the screen protector, of course you can't see it, but it's installed. Well, you can actually see it, the corners. So that's a cool thing that protects your screen. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, no, hold on a second. There's more coming up. Take a look at the shadow lights. So yeah, when you open a door, instead of having the normal lighting, which is a very soft LED lighting, basically this is what you get. So it's pretty cool in my opinion. It just, you know, I mean, it's not a big deal, but makes it pretty nice when you open that door. So you get to see the real deal when it's really dark. However, in daylight you hardly see it, or if you have some kind of lighting like on this side, it won't be as pronounced. So let me show you guys. Still see it, but you know, it's pretty cool. Yeah, so that's it. So basically it takes a few minutes. You take a plastic pry tool and basically you insert it in between the little light there and the door panel. You pop them out and you install them. Virtually takes 5 minutes. So I hope you guys like this little modification. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will come up with more videos. Again, these are little baby mods, really nothing. Ain't gonna make the car go faster, but at least it makes it look a little more premium. I plan on keeping this car for a long time. So yeah, subscribe to my channel and you'll get to see more videos. Thank you very much for watching.